Right, this is my Stomp Z40 140cc. Have a walk round. Recording on a GoPro Hero 3. I'm sorted out a common problem with the exhaust rattling on the back. If you see inside, if you can. I know it might look a little bit dodgy, but who cares who looks in the exhaust. So this is a cold start. So you can't hear the rattling no more in the exhaust. All gone, just took the back end of the baffle out. Didn't even have to take the rivets off the end. There, as you can still see, the original. All you need is a pair of pliers. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thanks a lot, guys.